Hello, good morning. How are you? Are you doing good? I hope you're doing great. Yeah, it's a beautiful Saturday morning. We've had some rain. I'm sitting out here on the porch, listening to the birds singing away, sitting out here drinking my morning coffee. Mm, good stuff. Good stuff. It is so awesome just to just relax. At first, it was a little strange on a Saturday not to have my alarm clock, waking me up at 4:30 in the morning. But it's a relief. It really is a relief. Not to think about a 15-hour day. This is awesome. I am looking forward to the day that I can do this a little more often. But of course, I have quite a few more years to go. As far as I know, I don't have a crystal ball. I don't know the future. But this is definitely nice. I'm sure you can relate when you work so hard and you finally take a few days off and it's decompressing. Yeah, so awesome. What's in store for today? Let's see. We have reservations at 5 p.m. at a restaurant. So we're going to be doing that. But before that, um, not quite sure. We may go to the boat show. I mean, it's still early, so we have plenty of time to come up with something. But if we did nothing, I'd be happy with that. Absolutely. Relaxing is good too, but I think we're going to do something a little different. I'm thinking the boat show. Um, yeah, spend a few hours over there, just, checking things out, enjoying life. Yeah, and see how the day goes. All right, let me take you along for the ride. All right. All right, we're on the road, heading off to the boat show. Let's go. All right, we're heading on in. Gonna enjoy the boat show. I do prefer the RV show, but the RV show is outside and it is raining a little bit, so we're just gonna go on in and see what's what. Yeah, you can't take life for granted. Absolutely not. So you gotta enjoy your time off. And boats are cool. Yeah, let's go check it out. This is cool. You got the boat show, but they got jet skis with it. This is a lot of fun. Look at that price tag. That's pretty cool, right? Pretty cool color. I've been on a jet ski a time or two. It's a whole lot of fun. I just wouldn't want the cost to maintain it and all that. But it is super cool. And this one, there's the price. The price on this one. Super cool. A lot of fun. How cool is this? Sweet looking color. Yeah. Very nice. Called a shallow sport. Now I wonder, when you buy the boat, how are you going to get the boat out of here? Are they selling this here with the boat? How nice, huh? I was just in this boat. Really sharp looking, beautiful color.
Okay, no problem.
Look at the price on that. If I'm gonna get a boat, this is the boat right here. It's called the Sweet Water Boat. It's not a speedboat. It's just a boat where you can come and hang out with family, friends, and you're not out there trying to speed on the water and racing and all that. And the price is right. $53,000. Let's go inside. You know, you're hanging out with friends, family. You got whoever's navigating it right here. Let's go. Yeah. Bunch of seating. This is just a get out there and relax. You even got yourself a cup holder. Only one cup holder. Oh, you got another cup holder right there. Yeah, this is the kind of boat you're just relaxing. Speakers. Speaker there. A speaker right there. And I'm sure we got more in the front. Yep, another speaker right there. And a speaker there. So they might have a really nice sound system in this thing. This kind of boat is a boat you want to get and relax. One more shot of the boat from the outside. It's a pretty color. The water's sweet. God's Ferry. Super cool.
Good. Welcome. Y'all looking for anything special?
Some reason I like the blue. I'm drawn to the blue ones. That's a good price for a boat. In my opinion, the other one's way nicer. This one is pretty cool, a jet ski. Look at the price on that. Super cool though. You got a seat here, And it looks like a cooler. You can take some trips with this one. Pretty cool.
Yeah. See you guys next time.
Yeah, right? Yeah,
I
definitely.
like the color here.
Yeah, it's gonna be fun. Bring it R&R. I've only seen one R&R. Yeah.
The cheapest one I saw, wow, look at the color. Super cool. Cheapest one I see is $15,000. I haven't seen anything cheaper than that.
Bye, nice to meet you, buddy. Yep, see you guys later.
We have made it outside.
How you guys doing today?
110,000.
Good.
Going up the ladder. And it's a slide right onto the water. This would be my favorite. This type of boat. The other boat that we saw like this was $50,000. This one's $110,000. Super cool boat. You got speakers all around, cup holders, more than the other one. High quality. I do love the upper deck though. You walk up the stairs to your second floor. And if you're out there in the ocean somewhere, go down a slide right into the water. Super cool. I think it's awesome. I found the cheapest boat. What do you think? Nothing fancy here. Nothing fancy at all. This is the kind of boat, if you want to go fishing, this is all you can really do with this one. Yeah, sometimes less is more. $9 a month for the smallest boat they have here. Just like the other boat, it's the cheapest boat, $9,500. There it is, $159 a month. This one's actually more money, $18,400. So the other one was cheaper. What's that going for? There's another shot of that boat. Definitely the cheapest boat that we saw. Hey, if you like to go fishing, hey, that's cool. Bring a little music on there. Yeah, life is good. Look at this lounging seating here. You got a couple of cup holders right there. You got the hold on bar, the what do you call it? Oh shit handle. When you're out there in the water, you're looking back. I like the colors on this. Yeah, this is pretty cool. $60,000 for this one. $362 a month for that. Moving on down, $359 a month. There we go, $278 a month. $500 a month.
Specifics, let us know.
Thank you.
This is the only boat that we saw that is all covered in. If it's raining, You stay out of the elements. Yeah, I could do this. Hanging out. Heading on down to the bottom. Pretty cool seating right here. Yeah, there's no rain here. And there's a downstairs. What? What? Wow, pretty cool. Looks like a 1-burner stove. How are you closing it now? What do we got here? Is that like a bed? What? Quite interesting. A little sink. You want to sit down here and play some cards? Yeah, pretty cool. Some storage. Oh, we got a microwave. Cup holder. Looks like we have a bathroom. Pretty cool. Looks like an airplane bathroom. But hey, in a boat, that works. I hear people down in the Keys live on boats. This is what they have. Something like this. Yeah, super cool. Is this what do we got down here? Controllers for the boat and all that. Yeah, pretty cool. And we have something down here. Not sure what this is. Is it a fridge? How do you open it? Yep, there's your fridge. This has got to be used. This boat looks like it's used, but hey, somebody would be very happy in this. Oh, there's all your controllers. Very nice. Oh, you gotta hold it in, press the button. All right, this is what I need. Jacuzzi. You gotta get a Jackery. All right, we are heading out. I could have made an hour video just in there alone, but I want this to be one video with tonight's dinner as well. So many cool boats, so many cool jet skis and Yetis and Jackery systems, and so much to do and see, but I'm not gonna make a 2-hour video. So yeah, it's good times. I would never buy a boat. I don't want to be out another 1,000, but good times, definitely good times. I'll check back in much later when we get to the restaurant. We're going to a pretty good restaurant where they cook in front of you. It should be good. Every single time we go there, the food is always delicious. So check back in here tonight, 5 p.m.-ish, around there somewhere. Hello, how are you? I'm home. It's 2 p.m. We still got a few hours before we go eat dinner. I realize that this video is becoming a bit long. It's about maybe 19 minutes long so far. Sitting here, the sun is out, the birds are chirping, the rain has stopped. But yeah, I'm gonna check out of this video because if you're still here, yeah, it's a long video. I really do appreciate it. Yeah, I appreciate it very much that you're still here after nearly 20 minutes. So tonight's dinner will be in tomorrow's video. So yeah, thank you so much for checking in. I'm checking out of this one. We'll see you on the next one, you know?